Enrich Your Language, Similes and Metaphors for Atmosphere and Ambiance. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to add some color to your English conversations by discussing a wonderful aspect of language: similes and metaphors. These are powerful tools you can use to describe the atmosphere and ambiance of different places. So, get ready to take your language skills to the next level. To make our language vivid and engaging, we often compare one thing with another. This is where similes and metaphors come in. Similes use the words like or as to compare two things. For instance, the room was as quiet as a library. Metaphors, on the other hand, directly compare two things without using like or as. They state that one thing is another. For instance, the room was a silent tomb. Similes can add depth and bring a description to life. Let's see a few examples related to atmosphere and ambiance. 1. The coffee shop buzzed like a beehive, full of chatty customers. 2. The evening air was as refreshing as a cool drink. 3. The night was still as a painting, calm and serene. Remember, the key to using similes is to be creative and use comparisons that evoke vivid imagery. Like similes, metaphors can also provide rich and interesting descriptions. Here are some examples. 1. The stadium was a boiling cauldron of excitement. 2. The party was a sparkling jewel, full of glittering lights and laughing people. 3. The city at night is a constellation, every window a shining star. When using metaphors, make sure the comparison is fitting and helps paint a clear picture in the listener's or reader's mind. The best way to get comfortable with similes and metaphors is to practice. Start by describing places you frequently visit or scenes from your favorite books or movies. Experiment with different comparisons and see how they can change the feel of your descriptions. That's all for today's lesson. I hope this exploration of similes and metaphors has given you some new tools to enhance your English descriptions. Remember, learning is a journey. So, keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun with your English language learning journey.